Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 moved lower, down 0.25% to 10,356.35. In Europe, the CAC 40 gained 0.77%, while Germany's DAX rose 0.48%. In the US, the Nasdaq edged up 0.04% to 30,669.2, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.11% to 7,608.5. In company news, online retail group Debenhams reported a return to GMV growth, suggesting its turnaround program continues to gain traction. Meanwhile, jewelry and pawnbroking specialist Ramsdens raised profit expectations after benefiting from strong gold prices. Against sterling, the US dollar weakened, the Swiss franc strengthened, the euro rose, the yen fell, and the Australian dollar was up. Bitcoin gained 0.7%. In commodities, copper fell 1.55% and gold declined 0.69%. Brent crude rose 2.07% amidst supply concerns, while natural gas gained 0.76%. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.